exposed wire. Trying to get something there up in there, I think, but not much. Pretty slow turning. I think there's enough cranking speed there to do anything. Maybe we'll draw some fuel in there at some point. Try it again. We have an oil leak. Towel out here. Piston fluid everywhere. Mess. Alright, so we have an oil leak. The motor started to run, finally. We are losing oil fluid like crazy out of the training. Still pissing out pretty good. Can't do anything until it quits pissing. So it looks like it's satting. It cracked the line. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get a piece of tube and I'm going to connect these two hoses together to eliminate that problem. I de-rusted the back of the frame there, so that's good. I got to figure out how to make that choke work up there because it definitely needs some choke. And that starter sucks. I also need to go charge up my battery. I'm sure it's getting dead. Sounds like it. Alright, I've got a few repairs. We'll be back. Alright, we're back. So I went and got a heavy-duty stainless steel hose coupler. I use a cheap piece of crap tubing, but if I move this thing up and down on a trailer, I'll make sure this does not pop off. So, use good stuff and you won't lose it. You might be a little low on tranny fluid now, but can't control that, can I? They have a lot of extra in there anyway, I'm sure, so it should be fine. Damn, it's long-winded. Jeez. Took a while to get off. Okay, there's that one. Whoa. Over my leg. Good job. Spray yourself down with fluid. That's always fun. Okay. Okay, there's our splice. tighten this down. Okay. Should be good enough for that. Okay. Oil's good for wood, so we'll put wood. It's good for rusty frames too, so we're alright with that too. Shelf back here. Alright. Let's see, the other problem we have is choke. Make this thing choke. Appears to be a little lean fuel mixture right now. My hands are full of crap right now too. This carburetor is an old piece of crap. This, as I recall, was a $5 swap meet carburetor many years ago. It never has worked worth a squat, but what do you want for $5? Okay, so we got butterflies back. So if those are supposed to be secondaries, they're stuck open right now. That's probably why it doesn't want to run. It's got a lot of carburation going on right now. It ain't supposed to be on. No, that's a choking mechanism. Those are secondary butterflies on top of the other one. If you look way down, there's aluminum part. I'm moving the aluminum way down low. So, okay, so that's a fake set of butterflies. All right, let's go over here, this side. These here are choke. Somehow this works. So we pull this. There we go. Except that doesn't make anything work. Alright, I need two hands to make that, figure that mess out. Looks like it automatically springs off like a high-speed short load thing. That's controlled over here by this chingus. Oh, it's wired shut. Okay. Okay, that's why it doesn't work. It must have been a problem. This right here wires it shut. So obviously this mechanism is not working. So it got deactivated by wiring it shut. Okay, so we're going to try to make this thing run a little bit better than it does right now. I need to hold my hand over it like that, I guess, while it's running. See if I can make it run that way. Okay, let's see. What do we got left to do here? I don't know if there's any oil yet. We know there's tranny oil, that's for damn sure. Baffle's a good baffle, I can't see in there. The lifters weren't making noise, so it must have oil pressure, right? That's how I look at it. Okay, we'll go get the battery and we'll try this again. We'll get back.